What's going on today, guys? Today we're going to review a 4K HDR 70 my 4K A810 dash cam set. First off, we'll do what we usually do and get right into it. See what we got in the box, and we'll go hook it up and then test it out for a little while. Oh, first off here, we got looks like a hard wiring kit. You want to tap right into your fuse box there. And we got some instructions on how to do that. But let's get into the main gig here. See what we got. What's in here? Oh, that's nice and organized. Cover for the camera on the windshields. Stickies, all the information you're going to need if you have any questions. Looks like this is the main unit. Please remove before use. Nice big screen, looks like. Must be where the thing attaches to connect to the windshield. Nice and stiff. Very nice, very nice. Looks like the rear camera. Any angle you want. Very nice. And how do we get on this side? A pry bar, in case you don't have it in the right spot, you want to get it off without breaking anything. Just be part of the attachment here. Guessing that goes just like that. Yep. Very nice. Got some power cable. That probably goes to the rear one, and that'll plug into the side of here. Looks like the main power one, plug it into USB. Yep, oh, there we go. The dash cam in that one, then you plug your phone or whatever into that one. And that's what we got. A nice, well organized box. So let's go put it in the car and we'll figure out how it is. Oh, sticker. This should just go on here. Something like that. Hopefully that's kind of square. Take the camera, take off that part here. Make sure this is the right way. Yes. Stick that in a little square. Turn the camera to the right angle. See the screen. Got the power cable here. This goes in the middle one. Give her some power. Oh, there we go. Oh, is it touchscreen? No, there's a check mark, so that makes sense. indicator light. Green's recording, blue's on standby, red we got an error. Power button at start. Okay, over here. You press to turn the screen on and off. Press and hold to turn it off. Power button when powered off. Press and hold to turn it on. We'll worry about the date and time later. I already got the app. Alright, so over here, I gotta get another memory card because it doesn't come with one. That's the only unfortunate thing. Alright, this is for the rear camera. Just stick that in there. We'll run that along up there in a little bit, but we'll go plug it in for testing purposes. Make sure it's all good. Alright, same idea with this electro sticker here. I'll have to take her to the car wash the back window here. The wiper's not working, but same idea. Since it's a heated back window, you want to make sure your camera itself's not on the line. Hopefully that's good. I can adjust it, but I think that's good. Camera that we plugged into the main unit. Slot and groove. That's it. You can tie it up, went along, and we're good to go. Audio on and off. Next one is emergency recording. These are the files. Back. Those settings. We got video settings. The record duration, how long you want your videos to be. I personally like 3 minutes. Yep. Video storage, video resolution, HDR, refresh rate, got your speed, how fast we're going, latitude, longitude coordinates, got the logo, extended cam mirroring, which is flipping the thing, I believe, the camera. Oh yeah. Go back, go over one. System settings, we got the Wi-Fi so we can connect our phone. Power on, Wi-Fi settings, screen time, if you want to keep her in sleep mode or not. Auto off when stopped. Oops, wrong way. System time. System language, date format, speed, stuff, satellite positioning. That's that. I'll go back. We can go over more. We'll format the card. We already did that though. Parking security, collision detection, motion detection, time lapse, smart travel, emergency video, ADAS, sound settings, prompt tone button, audio recording, speaker volume. You can download the app, which is handy. Update it if there's any software updates. You know, obviously factory reset everything back to normal. We've got information on the unit itself. 70 mi dash cam 4K A810. Current version is 1.4.77 WW. Time published 2023-12/07. That's all the settings there. So we'll go for a little drive and test it out. Oh, the backup camera wasn't in all the way, but got a dirty window back there. We'll go wash that off, then we'll go test it out. That's a little better. There's the back. There's the front. There's the back. There's the front. Let's go for a drive. Well, make sure you check out all the links down below. I'm sure there are some Black Friday sales and all that good stuff. So, big thanks to 70 Mi for sending out a dash cam. We got it hooked up in my brother's rig here. It's need new drivers, so whenever he hits somebody, we'll have the good footage, hopefully. But we'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you.